How to transfer files from your internal storage to SD card on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to transfer your files from internal storage to SD card on Android. So you can basically do this via using your file explorer. So just open up your file explorer on your devices, and once you're inside here, basically just long press on that particular application or files which you want to move from your internal storage onto the SD card. So once you select the application or files that you would like to move from internal storage to SD card, you can basically tap on this move at the bottom left corner of your screen, just like this. And as you can see, currently I don't have any SD card unfortunately in this mobile device, but you can just choose on this or enter on this, click on this internal storage option just like this, and you should be heading back to the main menu where you will be seeing both your internal storage as well as your SD card option. Now simply tap on that SD card option and you should see similar interface of that inside of that SD card folder as well, and basically simply choose any of the folder inside of SD cards. So let's say I wanted it to be, so let's say I want this copied files which I just copied to be under the Film Plus option under my storage, secondary storage, that is SD card. So simply tap on this move here button to successfully move that from there to your SD card. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.